Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad. Today I will explain the trigonometric ratios related to the right angle triangle. What type of triangle is called right angle triangle? If a triangle having one side, if there is an angle of 90 degree, one angle is 90 degree, then that triangle is called right angle triangle. In this triangle, this angle is 90 degree of measurement. Okay. This square sign will always represent an angle of 90 degree. This is a 90 degree angle. So if a triangle having one angle equal to 90 degree is called right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. And secondly, we will decide about the sides. The side opposite to 90 degree. This is a 90 degree and this is opposite side. The 90 degree opposite side will always be considered hypotenuse. The side opposite to 90 degree will always be considered hypotenuse. And this say next is the side opposite to the angle. This is the angle. This angle is given. So the side opposite to the angle theta. The angle theta, this is the opposite side. The side opposite to angle theta is considered perpendicular. So side which is opposite to angle theta is called perpendicular. And the third side which is adjacent side of the angle. This is the angle. This is the adjacent side with this respect to this angle. So this side is called base. Now we will establish the trigonometric ratios for a right angle triangle. First of all, the ratio between the side. What is ratio? The ratio is the fraction of two quantities, two values. The one is perpendicular, the second is hypotenuse. If we consider perpendicular over hypotenuse, perpendicular over hypotenuse, the ratio of perpendicular to the hypotenuse is considered sine theta. Remember, always this will be considered sine theta. Sine theta is the ratio of the two sides of a right angle triangle. One is perpendicular and second hypotenuse. Remember, perpendicular will always be divided by the hypotenuse. So this ratio will be considered sine theta. Next ratio is related to the comparison related to the ratio of base and hypotenuse. If we consider base ratio or fraction hypotenuse, then this is called cos theta. Remember, cos theta is equal to the ratio of two sides of a right angle triangle. One is the base, that is the adjacent side of the angle theta. And next to which it is related, it is a established ratio that is opposite side of the 90 degree, that is hypotenuse. So ratio of base and hypotenuse is considered cos theta. Always this ratio will be valid in all situations. Now next thing is last, that is if we consider the ratio of two sides perpendicular over base, it is considered tangent theta, perpendicular over base. If we consider this ratio perpendicular over base, then it is considered tangent theta. So remember, these are the ratios. We use abbreviation of tangent theta, tangent. The tangent is the ratio between perpendicular over base. So always remember, if we consider tangent theta, then it will be the ratio of perpendicular over base. So remember, always we consider the triangle for such trigonometric ratios that must be right angle triangle. Then we will establish the following trigonometric ratios. These ratios can be seen in the next step. That is this. Sine theta is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to, this is the base over hypotenuse, the side opposite to 90 degree. This is the 90 degree angle. So tangent theta is equal to perpendicular over base. This is the perpendicular. Always this line, the side of a right angle triangle opposite to the angle is considered perpendicular. So perpendicular over base. This baseline is also considered adjacent side with respect to this angle because this side is on the vertex where angle theta is being considered. So remember, these are the three trigonometric ratios related with right angle triangle. So always remember this. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.